Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I thank the Honourable Member for the question, and I think, Mr. Speaker, sir, we can all acknowledge and appreciate the role that the technical vocational education training is provided in Fiji to fill the skills gap in the Fijian job market. And also, Mr. Speaker, sir, the trade and related skills that has been provided through the TVET has also provided workforce that has also been recognized in Fiji, in the region, and also at the international arena. Mr. Speaker, sir, we acknowledge that over the years this special category of learning has been affected by the various competing interests in terms of the policy changes due to political directions and through changes in government. And this has also led to institutional brain drain, and it has been experienced in our tertiary institutions. At one stage, we had the Fiji National Training Center, former director sitting there, Honourable Member, and the Fiji Institute of Technology that led the training of our vocational studies, and also supported by various secondary schools like Ratukanda Wulevu schools, Queen Victoria School, and other schools around Fiji. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry of Education is working with relevant stakeholders to enhance the quality of technical vocational education training by revising curriculums of all the programs under this umbrella. And the TVET section under the Ministry of Education is working with the Fiji Higher Education Commissions and other necessary training institutions to conduct skills survey to assess the current needs of all industries in Fiji, and also identify where our strengths and weaknesses lie. The findings of this survey will be used to address the various educational needs which will be discussed with implementing tertiary institutions to be able to focus the subjects and ensure sufficient students are attracted to take up training in these skill sets for the job markets in Fiji and abroad. The education curriculum over the years has undergone various changes, and it continues to evolve to allow for areas of need that are identified, Mr. Speaker, sir. Also like to remind the House that this is also part of the thematic areas that will be discussed at the Fiji National Education Summit, which will be convened next week. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry of Education has done various outreach programs and incentives to attract students for TVET and educate communities on the important role of this sector. And we are working not only to furnish our domestic market with the professional workers, but we also fast becoming a country that provides workers for the international job markets. The outreach programs undertaken addresses the socio-economic well-being of Fijian communities, and the tertiary loans, scholarship and loan scheme is also playing its part by publishing and launching its booklet on the scholarships and the grants and loan scheme that government is providing for this particular vocational education training. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm also pleased to state that to promote TVET to learners of all income categories and locations, the Ministry of Education continues to provide vocational tuition grants of $610 per vocational students across its 32 vocational centers. And we are also exploring ways to also restore of 31 of the 66 vocational centers that were attached to our own secondary schools in all the 4 divisions. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.